We all know the benefits of exercise. We know that we should be exercising a lot, but some of the benefits that we don't talk about, how good exercise is in preventing cancer. We've sort of already known that in other cancers, when you exercise, the rate at which it would come back, the cancer itself, is reduced depending on how much you exercise. But kind of here, we're getting some new data that shows, well, up to 35% of a reduction in risk of the prostate cancer coming back once you start introducing more exercise into your life. And again, this was kind of prevalent in other cancers, but the fact that prostate cancer was starting to have more data on this, that was kind of a big thing because prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers. The thing is, people might hear the word prostate all the time, but they actually might not know where it is. So it's pretty much this little organ right here where you see the bladder, this is where your urine gets stored, has to leave through the urethra, which is the tube that connects the bladder through your penis, and then you urinate. But the prostate is right here, and over time that can enlarge. And when it gets enlarged, that's kind of a routine thing that's going to happen to all men as we age. But sometimes if it enlarges in a way that's abnormal, when the doctor is doing their digital rectal exam, and the reason why it's called that is because this is a digit, your finger, and the rectal exam, you can see here that there's direct access to the prostate. So they can feel the prostate to see if it's enlarged, or what we worry about is not only if it's enlarged, but if you feel something hard, like if there's a nodule in it. The prostate should be kind of like a squishy organ, but if you go there and you feel something as hard as a rock, you start to get very concerned that it's something like cancer. But again, people want to know, how can I prevent cancer? How can I make sure this doesn't happen to me? Well, again, sometimes it's just your genetics. You might just have bad luck. It's coming your way because of your family history. But at the very least, things like not smoking, not drinking too much, and here you go, exercise can greatly reduce what's ever coming in terms of cancer.